Dear student, welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School, Navada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Student, today I discuss some other problem of exercise 16b, very important for you as your board examinations. So now see here towards the board that question number 27 from a rectangular sheet. It is a rectangular sheet paper, and from a rectangular sheet ABCD, AB is 40, it is ABCD, AB is 40 cm, and AD is 28 cm, it is 28 cm. A semicircular portion with BC as a diameter is cut out. A semicircular portion is cut out 50. Find the area of the remaining portion. The question is, what is the area of this? Dear student, it is 28, then it is also 28, and it is 40, then it is 40. Your question, what is the area of the remaining portion? That means area of semicircular subtracted from the area of rectangle, then we get the area of the remaining portion. So, what is the area of rectangle? First you write area of rectangle. Rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 40 into 28. Then 28 4 ja 32, 112, that is 1120 cm cube. It is the area of the rectangle. Next, area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square, that is 1 by 2, 22 by 7 pi r square. What is r? Is 28, then r will be 14, that is 14 into 14. So 7 to the 14 and 2 to the cancel. Then you have 14 into 22, that is 28, 308. Hence it is equal to 308 cm square. So what is the area of shaded region? So write here area of shaded region, otherwise the area of remaining portion. Remaining portion is equal to 1120 cm square minus 308 cm square. Then 10 minus 2, 11, 1 it is, and it is 8. So answer is 812 cm square. So here its side is BC as the work as the diameter, then BC is the diameter, then radius will be 14, and it is the rectangle. So area of rectangle is 14 into 28, and area of circle is 1 by 2 pi r square. So we get area of rectangle 1120 and area of semicircle 308. Then your question, what is the area of this remaining portion? Then you subtract it, then you get your solution. Next question, question number 31. In the given figure, find the area of shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircle. Dear student, here it is given that ABCD is a square and APD and BPD are the semicircle. Then your question, what is the area of this shaded region? So it is like as first you find the area of a square and subtract the two area of semicircle, then you get what is the remaining portion. So first you write the solution. Side of a square is equal to 14 cm. Area of a square is equal to 14 cm whole square, that is 196 cm square. After that, area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square, and area of two semicircle of two semicircle बराबर 1/2 pi r square minus into 2. 2 to cancel, that is pi r square. Hence here is 22/7 and r is 7 into 7. Because 14 is work as the diameter, then radius will be 7. So r square is 7 into 7, that is solution cancel, and it is 154 cm square. So what is the area of shaded region? So we write that is area of shaded region is equal to 196 cm square and minus 154 cm square. 196 cm square, and that is 2, and here is 4, that is 4 cm square. It is the answer. So dear student, first you find area of the square and then subtract the area of two semicircle, then you get area of the remaining portion, that is the area of the shaded region. 33 question number, that is in the given figure ABCD is a square, that means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is a square of side 7 cm and DPBA, this is DPBA, it is a quadrant, DPBA, it is a quadrant, and DQBC, it is other quadrant of circle of each of the radius 7 cm. That means the side will be 7 cm. Then find the area of the shaded region. So your question, what is the area of this question? So dear student, in solution, radius is equal to 7 cm and area of quadrant, that is area of sector, area of quadrant QADRANTS quadrants is equal to 1/4 pi r square. The quadrant is also sector, but its angle of the central is only 30 degree. Then it is called quadrant. That means a circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Then each part is known as the quadrant because the angle is 90 degree. So we can say it is equal to 1/4 pi r square. Right here 1/4, 22/7, and r square, that is 7 into 7. So this 7 is cancelled and 2 ja, this is 11, then 11 into 7/2 cm square, it is the area of the quadrant. But there are two quadrants, one is DPBA, another is DQBC. So area of two quadrant QADRANT quadrants is equal to 11 into 7/2 into 2 to cancel, that is 77 cm square. It is the area of quadrants. And what is the area of a square? Area of a square is equal to 7 square, that means 49 cm square. So what is the shaded region? So area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant, that is 70 cm square, and subtract the area of a square, then 17, that is 8, here is 6 to 28 cm square. It is the area of this common parts, otherwise you can say it is the area of this shaded region. So how you find the area of this shaded region? First you find area of quadrant, this, then otherwise you find area of this quadrant, otherwise you find area of quadrant and multiply by 2, then you get area of both quadrants. After that you find the area of a square, that is 7 into 7, that is 49, and subtract from two quadrant, then this part are the 2 times in every quadrant. Here is 1 times and here is 1 times, then this part is the repeat. So you subtract the area of a square from the area of 2 times of the quadrant, then you get area of this shaded region. Now see question 36. In a circle of radius 7 cm, A square ABCD is inscribed. Find the area of circle which is outside the square. First, a circle is given whose radius is 7 cm, and in this circle, a square is also given. That is the ABCD square. Then your question is, what is the area of the circle that is outside of the square? Outside of the square, then what is the area of this portion of the circle? So dear students, if a square is inside of the circle, that means a square is inscribed in a circle. Otherwise, you can say circle is circumscribed a square. A square is inscribed a circle. One sentence it is. Other sentence you can see of this question also, that a circle is circumscribed of a square. Then the diagonal of a square is always equal to the diameter of the circle. Clear? When a circle is outside of the square, otherwise you can say circle is circumscribed of a square, then diagonal is the equal to the diameter of the circle. Otherwise, a square is inside of the circle, a square is inscribed in the circle, then the diagonal is equal to the diameter of the circle. But this question is also here, like this is a square and a circle is inscribed in it. This question is called a circle is inscribed in a square. Otherwise, you can say a square is circumscribed a circle. This question you can say a circle is inscribed a square. Otherwise, you can say a square is circumscribed a circle. And then that time diameter is equal to the side of a square. What? When your question is just opposite of it, that a square is inscribed in a circle. Here is the question. A square is inscribed in a circle. Otherwise, you can say that circle is circumscribed of a square. Both are the same. Here two sentences also, that a square is circumscribed in a circle and a circle is inscribed in a square. Here two types question. A square is inscribed in a circle and circle is circumscribed of a square. Your question is related to this. And so in this question, the diagonal of a square is equal to the diameter of the circle. So write you diagonal of a square is equal to the diameter of the circle. When your a square is inscribed in the circle, otherwise circle is circumscribed in a square. So what is the diagonal? Diagonal is equal to the 2 into 7, because radius is 7, that is 14 cm. Now your question is, what is the area of this region, shaded region, that is outside of the square? So first you write area of the circle. Area of the circle, it is equal to pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. So 7 cancel, that is 154 cm square. Next, what is the area of the square if diagonal is given? Area of the square, if diagonal is given, then the formula is 1 by 2 into diagonal square. By 2 into diagonal square. So here is 1 by 2 into diagonal is 14, that is 14 into 14, that is 2, 7, that is 98 cm square. So area of square is 98 cm square and area of circle is 154 cm square. Then what is the area of remaining portion? So subtract 154 minus 98. then it is equal to 14. 8 that is 6, then 40 that is 9, 5. So 56 cm as far it is the area of the shaded region. So dear student, where your question is given like this, that a spar is inscribed in the circle, then it is clear the diagonal of a spar is equal to the diameter of the circle. Dear students, this is the last question of today's session. Now see here, question number 37, that is in the given figure, APB and CQD are semicircle. Two are semicircle of the diameter 7. Its diameter is 7 cm each. While ARC and BSD of diameter 14 cm. Diameter semicircle of diameter 14 cm. Find the perimeter and the area of shaded region. This part are the shaded. Your question: what is the perimeter of this part and what is the area of this part? So first we find perimeter. Perimeter of shaded region is equal to, first starting with here, it is first part, diameter is 7, so radius is 7 by 2 and perimeter is pi r only. Don't add this because it is not in the part of the shaded region. The part of the shaded region is only this part here. It is the not part of the shaded region, it is the not part of the shaded region, it is not part of the shaded region. The part is only here, then this, and after that last is here. So first we find what is APB, perimeter of APB. APB, it is pi r, that is pi into 7 by 2. It is pi r, that is pi into 7 by 2, that means pi plus r into 7 by 2 cancel, then you get 11 cm. It is the perimeter of APB. Now perimeter of its name is BSD of BSD. It is pi and now r is 14 because r is 7 because diameter is 14, so r is 7, so it is cancelled, that is 22 cm. After this again, what is the perimeter of CQD? Perimeter of CQD, that is equal to pi into r, that is r 7 by 2 because diameter is 7, so 2 11 that is it is 11 cm. And lastly, what is the perimeter of this part only? Then this part also pi into 7 because the diameter of this part is 14. So pi into 7, that is 22, I 7 into 7, that is 22. So what is the total perimeter is that? That is 11 plus 22 plus 11 plus 22. The perimeter of this is 11, perimeter of this is 22, perimeter of this 11, and again perimeter of this 22. So you add it and you get here 44 cm. That is the perimeter of the shaded region. After that, you see here, if perimeter is 44 cm, how we find? First we find pi r, then again pi r, and pi r. R is 7 by 2, r is 7, r is 7 by 2, r is 7. Then your perimeter is 44. After that, you have to find what is the area of this shaded region. So second part is the area of the shaded region. So dear student, to subtract the area of semicircle, that is pi r square. This r is the 7, 1 by 2 into r, that is 7 by 2 whole square, 7 square, because here r is the 14, diameter is 14, so radius is 7, and minus 1 by 2 pi, it is 7 by 2 whole square, and again plus 1 by 2 pi, here it is 1 by 2 pi into 7 square minus 1 by 2 pi into 7 by 2 square. So you add it 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 minus 1 by 2 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 and minus 1 by 2 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So you cancel it 7 7 and 2 11 ja. Similarly here 7 7 2 11 ja. Here is 2 11 ja. 7 7 cancel, 7 cancel, 2 11 ja. You add it and subtract, then I can get your area of this secondary circle. So in this semicircle the radius will be 7. In this semicircle radius will be 7 by 2 because this is the diameter is 14, so radius is 7. But now this part is the diameter is 7, so radius is 7 by 2. Similarly, this part is diameter is 14, so radius is 7, and minus this part of the diameter is 7, so radius will be 7 by 2. So now you do calculations and find your solution, that is the area of this sided region. Dear students, the remaining questions up to 37 you try to solve by yourself. Thank you.